Have a blessed morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to Vital Bites, where we cook up some simple, tasty, and downright amazing recipes. Today, we're talking breakfast, the most important meal of the day, and trust me, this one's gonna wake up your taste buds. We're doing a breakfast duo that'll have you dancing: sunny-side-up eggs, eggplant, and bagoong fried rice. Oh, yeah, it's that kind of morning. We've got our trusty eggs, some beautifully sliced eggplant, and of course, that magical bagoong to kick our fried rice up a notch. But first, let's talk why breakfast is such a big deal. I mean, ever tried starting your day on an empty stomach? It's like running a marathon with no shoes. Now, breakfast is not just about filling up your tank, it's about getting the right fuel to power through the day. Eggs are packed with protein, which helps build muscle and keeps you full longer. Eggplants? Oh, don't sleep on those. They're high in fiber, low in calories, and full of antioxidants. And then we've got bagoong. Yeah, it's savory, it's punchy, and just a little bit brings all the flavor. Let's not forget, breakfast helps improve concentration, keeps those energy levels up, and sets you on a good mood for the rest of the day. So, skip breakfast? Not a chance. Alright, first up, the sunny-side-up eggs. We want those yolks golden and ready to burst. A little oil on the pan, gentle heat, nothing too crazy. Crack an egg in, and boom. There's something so satisfying about watching that egg just sizzle. Sunny-side-up eggs are like a little sunshine on your plate. And are rich in vitamins D and B12, good for your bones, your energy, and your mood. Plus, who doesn't love dipping that golden yolk in their rice? Perfection. Next up, eggplant. I know, eggplant for breakfast? But trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Eggplants are great for digestion, help lower cholesterol, and are super filling. We're just gonna pan fry these until they're nice and crispy on the edges. Look at these babies. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, perfect to pair with that egg and rice. Now, let's get to the star of the show, bagoong fried rice. If you've never tried this combo before, you're in for a treat. We've got leftover rice, because let's be real, who doesn't have some of that in the fridge? And we're going to fry it up with a little bit of garlic and bagoong. Garlic first, gotta get that aroma going. Once it's golden, in goes the rice and a spoonful of bagoong. Not too much, this stuff is strong, but it's what makes this fried rice pop, in the absence of tuyo. And because we're using rice, it's a great source of carbs to give you that energy boost. Plus, the garlic in there is a natural immune booster, perfect to start your day on the right foot. And there it is, the perfect breakfast trio. Sunny side up eggs, crispy eggplant, and bagoong fried rice. Packed with protein, fiber, antioxidants, and flavor. Eating breakfast like this will set you up for success, whether you've got a long day at work, school, or just want to start off strong. That egg yolk with the bagoong rice is so yummy, and the eggplant? It adds that perfect texture. You've got to try this, it's so easy, so tasty, and so good for you. So remember, breakfast isn't just about eating, it's about fueling your body, keeping your mind sharp, and giving yourself the best start to your day. And with a breakfast like this, you're already winning. Alright, friends, that's it for today's episode of Vital Bites. Go whip up this easy, delicious breakfast and let me know how it turns out. If you like this, hit the subscribe button for more quick, healthy, and tasty bites. Stay fueled and have an amazing day.